Welcome. If you've ever wondered which devices are connected to your Dropbox account and want a quick, hassle-free way to check, you're in the right place. Today, we're updating the steps to view all linked devices so you can keep your account secure and organized. First, start by opening the Dropbox app on your device. Once you're in, look for the account area where your profile or initials appear. This is usually at the top of the screen on most devices. Tap that account icon to begin. From there, you'll see a few options related to your account. Locate and tap the settings icon at the top. It's often represented by a gear or cogwheel symbol. This opens a menu with various settings you can adjust for your Dropbox experience. In the settings menu, search for an option labeled Manage Devices. Tap on Manage Devices to view all devices currently linked to your Dropbox account. This list includes computers, phones, tablets, and any other apps that have authorized access. As you review the devices, you'll notice details like the device name, last activity, and the date it connected to your account. If you see a device you don't recognize or no longer use, you can take action from this screen. Options typically include removing access or signing out remotely. Taking these steps helps protect your data and gives you control over where your information can flow. If you want to stay proactive, repeat this check periodically. A quick routine, perhaps once a month, can catch unfamiliar activity early and reduce the risk of unauthorized access. It's also a good habit to review your connected apps and permissions so you know exactly which services can interact with your file.